Installing a Luminar 2000 or Azura 2.0 log set. Please read the instruction manual that came with your heater. First, the back log should be placed on the 2 pins at the rear. Next, the middle left log can be gently placed here. It has a jumper that goes over the burner. And then the right middle log. Now the pilot log can be positioned. Make sure that the pilot is kept clear. And the final front right side log here. The Luminar 2000 has 2 cross logs, which can now be placed in these positions. And now a completed Luminar 2000 or Azura 2.0 log set.